Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. All of you know about that in the previous class we discussed about the neuron, and today we discuss about nerve. Okay, first coming toward the definition of nerve, that a collection of axon enveloped by a covering is called nerve. Just like neuron, on the basis of axon, there are three types of nerve. फर्स्ट वन हमारे पास है सेंसरी नर्व, सेकंड वन है मोटर नर्व, थर्ड वन है एसोसिएटिव नर्व और मिक्स्ड नर्व. Associative nerve. Sensory nerve contain only the axon of sensory nerve. It contain the axon of only sensory nerve. Motor nerve contain the axon of which motor nerve. Just like this, associative nerve contain the axon of only contain the axon of both sensory nerve and motor nerve. Means axon के बेस पे there are three types of nerve. Sensory nerve which contain the axon of only sensory nerve. A motor nerve which contain the axon of only motor nerve, while associative nerve contain axon of both sensory nerve and motor nerve. On the other hand, there are two types of nerve. First one हमारे पास है cranial nerve. Cranial nerve. While second one हमारे पास है spinal nerve. Spinal nerve. Nerve arised from the cranium is called cranial nerves. Nerves arised from cranium is called cranial nerves. While the nerve arise from the spinal cord is called spinal nerves. Nerves arised or emerged from the spinal cord is called spinal nerves. Actually, there are two systems in the nervous system that is known as central nervous system CNS and peripheral nervous system. Actually, the peripheral nervous system is formed by what? By the cranial nerves and by the spinal nerves. Okay, now coming toward the nervous system. Okay, now coming toward the nervous system. First, coming toward the definition of a nervous system. System which control and coordinate all body parts or system is called nervous system. Or simply we can say system which send message from one part of the body to another part, feel us and react the thing and situation is called nervous system. Okay, coordinate. Coordination or coordinate means integration among different part of the body by which a proper function is performed is called coordinations. Integration among different parts of the body by which a proper function is performed. Is called coordination. So actually the system by which or system which control and coordinate all body part or system is known as nervous system. Okay, coming toward the division of nervous system. There are two major parts of nervous system. First one is known as CNS, while second one is PNS. CNS means central nervous system, while PNS means peripheral nervous system. Okay, the central nervous system consists of two parts. First one, brain. Second one हमारे पास है spinal cord. Okay, the peripheral nervous system consists of two nerves. First one हमारे पास है cranial nerves, while second one हमारे पास है spinal nerve. Spinal nerves. Nerve arise from the cranium is called cranial nerves, while the nerve arise from the spinal cord is known as spinal nerves. Okay, coming toward the brain. Brain. Okay, first location. Brain is present in the skull. In a bony case or plate, that bony plate is known as what? Cranium. the most strongest bone in the body is cranium. Brain is covered by a bony case or plate. That plate is known as cranium, which is the most strongest bone of the body. Most strongest bone of the body. I'll let you know about that cranium. So it is actually the bony plate which cover the brain. It is cranium. Largest bone of the body is femur. Largest bone of the body is femur. Smallest bone of the body is stapes. Largest organ in the human body is skin. Largest gland in the body is liver. Largest cell in the body is female ovum. Smallest cell in the body is male sperm. This was all about the bone. Okay, coming toward the membrane which cover the brain. Actually, membrane which cover the brain is called meninges. Actually, this meninges is made of 3 sublayers. Inside the meninges and the brain, a fluid is present. That fluid is known as CSF. CSF. Okay. CSF means cerebrospinal fluid, which protect the brain from physical and mechanical stresses. Inside the brain, cavities are present. These cavities are called ventricles. Cavities inside the brain, that is known as ventricle, which is also filled by CSF. This was all